Hello, my name is Gina Rocha, and I will tell you my daily routine. When I wake up in the morning, I go to the window and look at the landscape. Then under the stairs and go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. While I check the WhatsApp and Facebook. After having breakfast, I wash the dirty slab that I have left and fix the kitchen. Then I clean the house and fix my room. I sit in front of the computer and do some university work. We'll don't eat at noon. I prepare the lunch and about 2 p.m. I am having lunch. Then I fix the kitchen and I want to continue with the work of the university. More or less about 4 p.m. I shower. I dry my hair, brush my hair, and I fix my face. I read my bag at 5:30 p.m. I start the motorcycle and I go to work at the clinic Los Cobos Medical Center. I enter the clinic at 7 p.m. I give medical leave to the patient and make the invoice of the attention of each of team. I leave work at 7 a.m. I go to the basement on bike. I ride my motorcycle and drive to my house. I get very hungry for breakfast and after that I go to sleep. After a while I get up and have lunch, fix the kitchen and do some college work. I hope my parents arrive and my sister to greet and there was how that was. After I go to sleep about 10 p.m. And rest at night for the next day. Upon walking to the stair, my routine again. See you soon.